Good afternoon. So today I'm explaining about series circuits and parallel circuits. First, what is electrical circuit? Electrical circuit is a closed path that allows electrical currents to flow across. So basically a wire, which is a line connected in the circuits. Circuit powers everyday electrical appliance in our household. And there are two major types of circuit, which is series circuit and parallel circuits. In series circuit is a single path. There is only one path for the current to follow from a positive terminal to a negative terminal across a component which is connected sequentially. In series circuit, the current is a constant. Voltage is divided throughout. Resistance add up, and if one component fails or disconnected from the circuit, the entire circuit just breaks. Next, parallel circuits. Parallel circuits has multiple paths, which are branches for the current to flow. As you can see, there's intersection and junction where current can flow and divide throughout each component. So the current in parallel circuit are not constant compared to the series circuits, but the voltage remain constant. At each junction, the voltage did not decrease or increase, it just remained constant. And if one component fails in the circuit, for example, this resistor, the rest of the circuit could still work because the loop is completed. An example of a series circuits. So an example in everyday appliance is a simple electrical appliance, flashlight. So in this example, it's a flashlight where there's an on and off switch, a light bulbs, and batteries. So series circuit as a property, if one breaks, so if the light bulb breaks due to maybe high voltage or too much current is applied, the light bulb can break and the circuit would be broken, and there will be no current flowing through the whole loop, and that will stop the flashlight from working. Or the other example is battery toys. You have to apply all the batteries inside to the components so the toy are able to work. If one battery is taken out or if one part of the toy is broken, such as the motor, the whole toys will be broke. An example of parallel circuit wire is house wiring, which example is that, as you can see, in our house, if the light bulbs is broken, it doesn't stop the fan from working, or the power socket that we charge our phones in, everything just continues working. And if you want, for example, the light bulb to work again, you just change the bulb. Or another example is modern LED strings in the Christmas tree. If one of the bulbs is broken, the rest of the tree bulbs still works. So lastly, comparing parallel circuit with series circuit. A parallel circuit will feature multiple or two current flow pathway. In series circuit, the current only flow in a single path. All components in parallel circuit are connected in parallel configuration, but for a series circuit, it's an end-to-end. The circuit will continue operating after one component stops working, but on the other hand, series malfunction will cause a component to fail, the whole entire circuit to fail. Voltage and polarity remains the same across all resistors. And as you can see on the formula here, on the parallel circuit, the voltage remains constant. But the resistor continuously decreasing as more resistance is in. the circuits. However, on a series circuit, the voltage is add up, depend on the component, but the resistor increase as the resistance is add up too. Thank you.